Hey everybody! Today I want to talk about how you can use Vedubox to make sure that AI isn't causing a problem for your online certifications and compliance training. Now we're all finding great uses for AI, helping us write our emails, getting meeting summaries, but some people might be tempted to use it in less ethical ways. Employees could potentially use AI to take their online certification compliance training tests. Now it's okay to use it to help prepare for the test, to have it summarize the materials, create a study guide for you, but you can't have it open and check with it while you're taking the test. These days, for employers, it's not just a problem that you just don't want cheating, it could be a massive liability. With recent updates to the UK Employment Rights Act and the failure to prevent fraud regulations, it's not enough just to have a check-the-box training program. If your data says an employee is competent and is trained, and they commit some sort of fraud-related error because they actually cheated on the training, your company could be on the hook. So how do you make sure your employees aren't cheating on your online certifications? The same way you make sure people aren't cheating when they take a test in person. First, you check their ID against their face, make sure it's actually them taking the test. Second, if you're using a laptop to take the test, you make sure the laptop is locked down so they can't alt-tab and check AI. And third, you watch them to make sure they're not checking their pockets for notes or checking their phone to talk to ChatGPT. Vedubox does the same thing with its online tests. It uses the webcam to verify your face against your ID. It locks down the browser so you can't alt-tab while the test is happening and check something else on your computer. And it uses AI to monitor your eye gaze to make sure you're not looking down or doing something suspicious. Now here's the part that I really like. Vedubox supports something called hybrid proctoring. Under GDPR, you have to be careful. We don't want to just trust the algorithm. We don't want to have AI fire someone because the algorithm thought it saw something suspicious. The way Vedubox works, the AI just flags the suspicious behavior and brings it to the attention of a human monitor who then makes the final call. It reduces the false positives and keeps you legally compliant. And the best part for IT folks, if you watch any of my other Vedubox videos, this is what I always say, is that it's all in Vedubox. I could figure out a way to do this, but I would have to use a lot of different expensive and complicated plugins to do each part of it. With Vedubox, it's just all there. So if you don't want to fly in your team from all over the world just for compliance training, and you don't want your employees to be tempted to get a little help from ChatGPT, you might want to look into Vedubox. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe.